Hi, my name is Shay from grade 11 from GoldenBee Global School's Bannerghatta branch. I'll be talking about World Student Day. We'll be celebrating Student Day today on October 15th as it is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary. We're celebrating it on his birth anniversary due to his great, profound contributions to the field of scientific and educational sectors in India. Even though he was a renowned scientist, he thought of himself as a teacher first, as he thought teachers were the building blocks of society and it was their responsibility to help and educate children to become the future of our nation. He thought students were the future. He thought with their progressive minds, it would reward our country to new and great heights. And that's why we celebrate Students' Day on our late great Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday. Happy Student Day!
GoldenBee Global, the bee hive of learning.